succession, and that is my own opinion. I understand. Government can still come out tomorrow and analyze it in another form. I understand if it is our government, but I'm very sure that it's not our government. I know where that rubbish is coming from. Understand? And I know the game they want to play, which is not what I will come out start saying here. I understand. So I know the game that they want to play.
Honestly, so I am struggling not to make I am struggling not to say anything about it. I want to say a lot of things about it, but I'm struggling not to say anything. But honestly, if I know
everything that wants to happen here. I mean, they tell you. No be
this people, some people know you can get in a book, but Udodi.
But the truth is, have belief that there is a lot of good in this thing. They believe and they still believe, and truly there is a lot of good. Who have good bread, who have chicken bread, fowl bread.
Igego.
And the so-called Igbo people. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. So that is why they are manipulating.
Igego. Akoye with Ifoku. Ifoku, right?
Now, I grab Ifoku, man. You don't know. Only thing with a pen and book. Really, no. Only more sense. A reasonable woman being. A reasonable woman being. Or really, when you get to Potaka, this is it.
Listen, I don't make go before that this I brought up before go I won't be getting focus.
No, I'm not really listening what he said. Sorry.
Okay, so just happy. But if you know what happened that now people are not sleeping. Everybody's eyes are open. Now what must be, my brother. My own able. One of the protests about genuinely not for PM. That's a portrait, Glory be to God. Man, I don't know if I'm nature, even enough. Can't be ever.
My brother, obligated for PM, my brother, it has no meaning. Let me tell you, we know this game. Obligated for PM, it has no meaning. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. We have sense now. Anyone with a visual,
some of us, and they believe that they own your brain, so they can do and not do. Brother, thank you so much.
Some people should not pretend. Some people should not play game as if they love PM. They want to show PM that we love you, but no, it is a lie.
I understand.
Listen, let me tell you. There is something that I want to tell you.
Okay.
If I want to get you, nah, I will use your best friend. If I look out to get you, if I do not get you, I will use your best friend to get you. Are you understand?
Man, I
PM.
I
understand?
Very, very well. Very, very well.
This is what they do. So if I really want to get to, some people are just saying that no, listen to me. That's not everything somebody will say on platform. We get sense. Understand? If we get sense. Not everything somebody will tell in broadcast. That sometimes I will call you with there's a lot of things we have to talk, but it's not in the air. Understand?
Thank you. Get Jesus.
So we discuss. Thank you so much. And thank all the Biafras. I love you all.
Thank you.
I love you, USB.
Thank you.
God bless you.
And you too. Okay, so let me return call. Some of our brothers have called before now. Let me return their call. I may not return everybody's call, but I know that this is our brother that I don't know. Anakwamija. Hello?
Hello, how are you, Kai?
I'm good. Good evening, sir.